let's see example 2. Simplify the trigonometric expressions in terms of sine and cosine. So now we have secant theta over tangent theta. So let's open up secant theta. This is just 1 over cos. And let's open up tangent theta. This is just sine over cos. Okay, so this is divide. Let's change to multiply. Just flip this around. So now you have 1 over cos times cos over sine. And then since you have the same term here, we can just cancel out. Now you are left with 1 over sine. So we will leave the answer in 1 over sine because the question asks us to leave our answer in terms of sine and cosine. So please do not change it into cosecant theta. Now let's see question B. Let's simplify cos x over secant x plus tangent x. So cos x is just cos x. Secant x, we can open up secant x to be 1 over cos x. Then we can open up tangent x to be sine over cos. So now since the denominator is the same, we can just combine them. Let me write here. This will become cos x over 1 over 1 plus sine x over cos x. So now let us simplify. We can just multiply this up and this is multiplied down. So cos x times cos x, this is cos squared x. And then 1 multiplied down here, this is just 1 plus sine x. So this is a shortcut for method of simplifying. So now since you have reached this point here, let's open up cos squared x. We know that cos squared x, if we use the identity formula, this is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So this comes from the equation cos squared x plus sine squared x equal to 1. Therefore, now we have cos squared x. Alright, we have this one here. So let's bring everything to your right hand side. This is 1 minus sine squared x. So let's just replace it here. And then we have 1 minus sine squared x over 1 plus sine x. So now let us simplify this expression here. We have learned this before where we have x squared minus y squared. This is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Since we have learned this before, therefore let us use this expression here. So now we have 1 squared minus sine squared x. So this is just 1 plus sine x multiplied with 1 minus sine x. So now you can see that you have the same term here, both in your numerator and denominator. So let's just cancel out. So your answer is just 1 minus sine x.